As of the 2018-2019 school year, grade improvement courses have been purchased for every high school. To gain access, students in grade improvement courses must be assigned to a program and teacher in Infinite Campus. Students can be assigned to programs in batch using the batch assignment tool in the program admin module. Or students can be individually assigned in the program participation tool within the student information module. Before a student's participation in a grade improvement course can be documented, however, the program session must be created within the program admin module. To create a program session for grade improvement, start in the index. In the index, under Program Admin, select Programs. When the Program Session tab appears, click New. Choose the correct course from the program drop-down list. Grade improvement programs are listed by course code, term, course name, and school. For example, the grade improvement course for Term 1 English 1 at SDB High School is labeled as 0100 T1 Ing 1 GI for grade improvement at SDB High School. Name the program session using the instructor's last name. For example, Jennifer Mayer would be listed as Mayor. Go down to the instructor box and select the teacher's name from the list below. Type in the teacher's last name in order to limit the search results that appear. Enter the start date using the first date of the corresponding term. Enter the end date as the last day of the corresponding term. When finished, click Save. If the grade improvement course is co-taught, the co-teacher can be assigned to the program session as well. The co-teacher must be attached to the program session within the Census module. In the index, click Census, Program Participation, and select Programs. From there, conduct a staff search for the co-teacher using that teacher's last name, first name, and clicking Go. When the Programs tab appears, click New. Select the grade improvement course from the program dropdown. The program session may or may not appear, depending on how many program sessions you have previously set up. If the program session does not appear, select the teacher's last name for the grade improvement session. For the start date, enter the first day of the proper term. For the end date, enter the last day of the proper term. When finished, click Save. Students can be mass assigned to a grade improvement program session using the batch assignment tool. In the index, under Program Admin, select Batch Assignment Tool. Ensure that program session is the selected type. Ensure the proper course is selected from the program dropdown. Remember, grade improvement courses are labeled using the course number, the term, the course name, and the school. Select the program session labeled by the grade improvement course teacher's last name. Down below, ensure that Add Participation is selected as the modality. Enter in the proper dates for the corresponding term of the grade improvement course. Year-end status and status can be left blank. To the top right of the Batch Assignment tool, select Batch Add. This will enable 4 quick search fields to appear. Use these fields to filter students by grade or search for students using his or her last name, first name. Search results will appear in the All Students box below. When you have located the student who will be assigned to this program session, simply click on his or her name and select the right-facing arrow. This will move the students from All Students to the Selected Students box. To select multiple students in the All Students box, simply click on the name of the student, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last name of the student who needs to be moved to the Selected Students box. If a student was selected in error, use the left-facing arrow to remove that student from the list. If you need to select students who are not listed alphabetically in order on the All Students box, on a Mac, select the student's name, hold down Command, and select another student. On a PC, The process is the same, however, you would hold down the Control key instead of the Command key. Again, use the right-facing arrow to move that student into the selected students list. The selected students list should reflect the roster of the grade improvement course. When finished, click Update. Students can also be individually assigned to a grade improvement program session within the Student Information module. In the index, under Student Information, select Program Participation and click on Programs. From here, conduct a student search of the individual student using his or her last name, first name, and clicking Go. When the Programs tab appears in the middle of the screen, select New. From the Program drop-down, select the proper grade improvement course. Ensure that the program session name is the teacher's last name. Enter the start date according to the corresponding term. Enter the end date according to the corresponding term. When finished, click Save.